our dry display case. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 38¼ inches, depth 18 inches, and a height 20½ inches. Going to the back of the display will be your top swing door. From right to left are 3 shelves. Each shelf will measure by 12 inches in length. Measurements apply for each of the 3 shelves. And bottom swing doors. Coming to the bottom are also 3 shelves. From right to left, the length remains the same at 12 inches, and the depth will measure 15¼ inches. The entire length of the top and bottom shelves in one continuous row is 36 inches. A LED strip is located towards the edge on top of the display case. And located on the bottom is your power switch, along with your 110 and 120 voltage. Coming to the left will be the ETEL certification sticker, along with electricity information for this display case. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.